Today, let's look at how to calculate the G-spread, a measure of a bond's credit risk. G-spread is the difference between the bond's yield to maturity and the interpolated rate of a government bond with the same maturity. The need to interpolate is due to the fact that government bonds are not available for all maturities. So, when there is no quote for a specific maturity, we take our best guess using linear interpolation. Linear interpolation is an assumption where it is assumed that the yield between two maturities goes up or down linearly. This means that, every year, the yield increases or decreases by an equal amount. For example, if we know the government bond yields for 2-year and 5-year bonds, we can interpolate the 3-year bond yield by first taking the difference between the 5-year yield and 2-year yield. Then divide it by 5 minus 2. This gives the incremental amount for each year. Then, add the 2-year rate because that is our starting point. So, the total amount is the interpolated 3-year rate. To get the interpolated yield for a 4-year bond, we again calculate the incremental amount for each year, then multiply by 2 because it takes 2 years to go from year 2 to year 4. Then add this amount to the 2-year yield. Thanks for watching. See you next time.